here's how you can make maqluba.
So this is a Palestinian dish that translates to upside down. If done correctly, the eggplant, cauliflower, chicken, and rice should stay together.
Yeah? No?
Yeah, almost. Almost. My mom cooked it all the time. She passed away, and then I taught myself how to make it over the past 10 years or so. I use basmati rice.
And is that what people usually use back home too?
We love basmati rice. Any good Middle Eastern mom will tell you to rinse your rice. Slicing some eggplants, a little bit of olive oil, and then we're also gonna do the same thing with the cauliflower. So here we took a whole chicken, some peppercorns, bay leaf. I like to put an onion in there. We're gonna boil it for about 20 minutes to cook the chicken a little bit, but also to make some delicious chicken broth. Arabic 7 spice or baharat, just a little bit of cinnamon. Palestinian cuisine definitely uses a lot of turmeric, allspice, and black pepper. I like to add a little bit of tomatoes, the eggplant layers, chicken thighs, and breast. Add the rice. It's not gonna cover it perfectly with water because you got all the vegetables underneath. We're just gonna put this on high till it boils, and then we're gonna reduce the temperature down to simmer about 40 to 50 minutes until the rice is perfectly cooked. This is nearly done. Just put a clean towel, seal the pot again, and let it sit for like 5-10 minutes. You always wanna serve it with a little bit of yogurt.
It almost reminds me of a pulao. And I think what makes it similar is because you guys actually cook the rice in the same broth of the meat, right?
My grandmother was a master cook. She knew how to make maqluba to perfection, kanafa to perfection, all Palestinian dishes. God bless them all.